I can't do anything. The sky cries with me. At least they could have said that.
Let's rewind a little bit, shall we?
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie,
It's
you'll find
unreal.
that out in some time. But when the things on your
I mean, just unboxing it, so satisfying.
So I can't connect my phone with my Apple Watch, but I can't do anything. The sky cries with me. Yeah, raining. At least they could have said that. The new Apple Watch can't be connected with iPhones that are too old.
Hey, so today is the next day, and now that I calmed down a little bit, I will explain now everything that happened.
So basically, I got a new Apple Watch. My first Apple Watch ever. I was dreaming about that day for so freaking long. And now I got it. Yay! But I can't use it. It arrived yesterday, I opened it, and then I tried to pair it with my iPhone. I have an iPhone 6s. It may sound like an old iPhone for you, but it is working perfectly. I am totally satisfied with its performance and with everything it does. I mean, I'm in love with that iPhone. It's like the best phone ever. But when I started to pair my Apple Watch with it, it told me that I needed a newer version of iOS. So that's what I did. I installed iOS 15.7 on my iPhone. It's like the newest version of iOS that I can get. But my Apple Watch still told me, nope, you need an iPhone with iOS 17. Only iPhone 8 till newer versions have iOS 17. So I can't pair my Apple Watch with my iPhone. So my Apple Watch doesn't work at all. And basically yesterday we were thinking about what we can do. So we came to the conclusion that I bought an iPhone yesterday. Yes, that wasn't in my plans at all. And to be honest, I have kind of mixed feelings right now because on one hand, well, I have my first Apple Watch. This is just unreal and I can't believe that it happened. I mean, I'm a huge Apple fan. But on the other hand, I'm kind of disappointed because I was expecting that it would go smoothly. But now I have an Apple Watch and I can't use it. And I have to pay for a new iPhone. Wrong expectations just really hit me hard every time. This is life. Shit happens. I can cry as much as I want, but crying won't help, so. Also, I was already planning to film a video with this Apple Watch. I'm still going to do it, so you should better subscribe to not miss it out. Basically, I just wanted to warn you and say that if you have an iPhone that doesn't have iOS 17, you should probably not buy the new Apple Watch Series 9. Or you can buy the new Apple Watch Series 9 and then you just have to buy a new iPhone that has iOS 17. Have a nice day and I hope you could learn from my mistakes. But wait, because this is a language learning channel and this video in particular doesn't really match with the overall topic of this channel, I want you to learn how to say this is life in different languages. Because life happens. So, c'est la vie. Así es la vida. So ist das Leben. And такова жизнь. Bye.